So like today it's a overcast day. It's kind of foggy, raining. Me and my boy, we're in the truck. We're gonna ride down to my parents' house and we're gonna redo a portion of the roof that was damaged by a hurricane a couple of years back. We really never just got around to doing it. I went a few weeks ago and fixed one small section, and then he's got a whole section where a massive tree fell down. I've got some pictures and videos. I'll show those right here. You'll see how bad the storm was. I think we were without power for like 25 days. I lived on the coast at the time, on the Gulf, and we were without power for like 53 days. So it was a pretty bad storm. It ended up being a Cat 5. We lost a lot of trees. We actually lost our apartment, our home that we were living in down there, and now we moved inward. So, but I'm gonna run down there, hopefully get some of that on video. I'm gonna try and time lapse a bunch of it, but hopefully he's got a metal roof. Hopefully it's not too wet. We can get on it and take the metal off. But that's today's project. So let's get to it. Did you buy your new hose?
Yeah.
You got an extension cord?
Yep. Now I need just some
Teflon tape.
Oh, it was?
I don't know if I have any in my truck. I didn't bring my plumbing kit. I didn't bring my plumbing kit. I left it at the house. What else did you get at Lowe's yesterday?
Huh?
What else did you get at Lowe's yesterday?
Half-inch plywood, 3/8 plywood, 2 pieces of trim. Nail gun is out there in the truck.
Where's your truck at?
Let's see what's right here.
Did you put your truck over there by the,
Yeah.
you want me to go get it?
Yeah.
You want me to go get the nail gun?
It'll fit.
Charlie coming out today?
He said he was going to come over. Of course, I don't know till
What's wrong with that one?
nothing but.
Oh, you don't have a... You need to just take that one off right there and use it.
Huh?
Just take the one off you got on the hose. It's a female end, it looks like.
Getting it off of there's the problem. See if I can double down on it a little bit here.
I got a torch if you want me to heat it up. There you go.
Just have to find the right spot.
I'm gonna take my truck over and see if we can get on the roof. So it's raining a little bit. He's got a metal roof, so it might be a little slippery. Don't know. So let's go. That's what we're working on today. So he's already got his, this is my old truck. He's got it here. He's got a fish pond too. So we're gonna pull up here and pull the ladder off and see if we can get on it. So, get that done real quick. You wanna go ahead and give it a try then? No, I do. Mm-mm. They're just coming to eat. They're just coming to eat.
What time to eat?
Oh, I don't know. Whenever.
Grinding wheel with you or your 10 steps?
Let's see. Think something like this would work? Yeah. There's one in that box. The big box that's open. Pull that other tray off the top. You'll see it sitting in there. I can see it from here. You wanting to go ahead and cut these?
Yeah.
Okay. I should be able to, I don't know.
May have to come from the top down.
Let's see. Well, it ain't that bad all the way over here. It looks like it's just like right here.
We'll find out in a minute.
You want to just cut right here and go down? See if we can find us a...
We can. It's not going to hurt to take the shingles off all the way back to there.
I can get a shovel and do it. It's probably a full sheet, so
Yeah.
let's cut right here then.
Yeah. Cut it outside of it. And then we'll come back and trim it.
Let me get a grip on it.
You got it?
Mm-hmm. I guess you hand me that hammer right there real quick. So it brought that one up. And
It's got to go up a whole lot more, don't it? Or is that a tubus? Wait a minute.
that's a tube of 6 or something. It was
Stop
split.
down here.
That board, the whole board's split. Let's see. So it's got a split right here, and then it goes all the way and stops right here.
Try pulling it back together with a screw.
Cut these.
Yeah, cut all those nail heads. And your saw blade up there. Turn it over. There you go. Flip it over.
Yep.
Yeah, you come up there.
All right.
wash all the way across. So.
Well, don't be scared. Come on up.
Back down then if you're scared.
Come up a little more. I can't see you. You going back down? There you are.
Can I go up one more?
Yep.
Just don't get on the roof. All right, be careful going down. Time for a break and fish. Did you swallow it?
He meant to swallow it. Look how
Golly.
healthy he is.
He's a really good one too.
Mm-hmm.
Look at me. All right, put him back.
Walk him down there and ease him in.
You like that?
Good enough?
Huh? Catch a bigger one.
Well, catch one.
Oh. Clogged up. Say hey, Stella. Stella. Wave.
You need to angle this way.
And check this. I'll check in just a second.
Hey, Joe,
Yes, sir.
you want to hand me that other sheet?
I am.